Students, since we have obtained from our previous video UF, the Fermi energy, the expression for the Fermi energy, this you will need for the if you get mathematical problems, you will need this a lot, where your electron concentration will be supplied and you have to calculate the Fermi energy. So h square by twice m 3n by 8 pi v. So usually in your problem n by v is supplied as electron concentration, which you can substitute for the calculation of Fermi energy. If you put it as to the power 2/3, okay, and we already know well that your nu du, if we have already found out nu du. What was nu du? If you just turn my if you just go back in my previous video, you will see nu du for Fermi Dirac distribution we have obtained as 8√2 pi v by h cube, okay, m to the power 3 by 2 u to the power half du divided by e to the power u minus uf by kt plus 1. Okay, so this was what we got for nu du. Now using these two expressions, all right, what we do, we write nu du using this and this. We put the value of nu du in terms of uf, and if you do that, it's just a mathematical conversion. See, we are using over here v, substituting for v, and what we get over here, if we do that, is see 3 by 2 n uf to the power minus 3 by 2, okay, u to the power half du e to the power u minus uf by kt plus 1. This is what you will be getting if you just use these two expressions. Okay, you see I have removed v. I have removed v from this expression. Okay, I have removed h cube from this expression by substitution from here. All right, so I have made the substitutions from here and I have written this expression in terms of n. I have kept n. All right, so well, therefore at t equal to 0 Kelvin, what can you say? At t equal to 0 Kelvin, you can say that all electrons will have energies, less than equal to uf. This is a very important understanding in Fermi Dirac distribution. Okay, so it will be either less than uf or equal to uf. So u will be either less than uf or equal to uf. If it is less than uf, then this is negative at t equal to 0. So it is e to the power minus infinity, isn't it? So e to the power u minus uf by kt is equal to e to the power minus infinity, because t is equal to 0. So it is equal to 0. Okay, all right. So you can write your nu du as 3 by 2 n, referring to the expression above, uf to the power minus 3 by 2 u to the power half du. Okay. Now from here, how do you obtain the average energy? This is the number of particles having energy between u and u plus du. If each of the particles have energy u, then the total energy for this will be nu times nu du. Okay, and the average energy will be that divided by the total number of particles n. So from the definition of average energy, what can you say? U bar. If you call this average energy as U bar, okay, what can you say about U bar? U bar will be equal to, well, integral from 0 to UF U nu du divided by n. Okay, and this integration, if you do, you will see this is equal to, well, 3 by 2, well, n by n. You will see uf to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, uf to the power minus 3 by 2 integral 0 to uf u to the power 3 by 2 du. You can show this. Okay, and this, if you do the integration and if you cancel, you can show this as equal to 3 by 2 uf to the power minus 3 by 2, 2 by 5 uf u to the power, so here if you put your, yeah, so 5 by 2, the limits goes from 0 to uf. Okay, so this is equal to, you can show as equal to 3 by 5 uf. Now this comes as an average energy is equal to 3 by 5. So average energy u bar is equal to 3 by 5 uf. This comes as an MCQ question. Because this comes as an MCQ question, it is important that you learn it. Remember it at least, that the average energy of a fermion is not for boson or for Maxwell-Boltzmann particles, only for fermions. Only for fermions, the average energy is 3 by 5 uf. So using similar procedure, show for your assignment that the average velocity at 0 degrees Kelvin is equal to 3 by 4 Vf. Okay, the average velocity is 3 by 4 Vf. Just show that, okay, in your assignment. You can show it in a similar manner. Alright, so let's stop over here and do at least 1 or 2 important problems.